Do you like riddles? I'm a mammal, I'm completely adapted to water, and I'm the biggest animal in the world. Who am I? I'm a blue whale. I'm so big that 10 African elephants can stand on my back. I'm huge. Guess how much I weigh? As much as 1,500 men. I'm massive. You would think that being so big, we would need to eat big things. But we actually eat these unbelievably little things called plankton. These guys are so small that you can't even see them with your human eye. We're very good swimmers and very fast. The shape of our tail is the reason we are so fast. We can also dive very deep, and some whales can stay underwater for a whole hour. But eventually we have to go up to the surface to breathe fresh air. Isn't our blowhole cool? Oh, it's freezing here. You can find us anywhere in the world, but during wintertime we move to warmer waters. We live in groups called pods, and I'd better go and catch up with my pod. They're probably wondering where I've gone. Bye for now!